Welcome back to This Week in AI. We're talking about how to jump on the AI opportunity. I believe this is one of the biggest opportunities we'll have within the next decade. Some industries are going to be moving slower than others to integrate AI into their process and products. But there are going to be some companies and individuals that overcome these challenges and leverage AI to gain a more competitive edge in the market. So here are 3 tips you can use to take advantage and gain an early position. Fractionalize your current skill set. To fractionalize your current skill set means to break down your skills into smaller and more specific units that can be applied to different types of work or tasks. Here's an AI tool that you can use that can help you fractionalize your current skill and maybe discover new ones. Copy AI is an AI tool that helps you generate creative content for any purpose. You can use it to write catchy headlines, slogans, captions, emails, and more. You can also use it to brainstorm new ideas and express your voice. Find a repeated problem in that market. For example, if you're a copywriter, it may be creating sales pages. If you're a developer, it may be automating tasks to save time and money. The goal is to become the go-to guy or gal for creating dashboards, standard operating procedures. You get the point. And thirdly, wrap it up into a brand that represents you. With that being said, go build something that you're proud of. Well guys, like I always say, let's continue to use AI for good, and we'll see you next time on This Week in AI.